everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my fresh and natural makeup look. This is really good for school, for work, even if you're just going out for a bit of shopping. So yeah, I really hope you like it, and let's get on to this. Right, to start off with, I am using my Smashbox primer, the primerizer. You've heard about this every single video, I think. You're probably bored of it, but please don't be bored, because I absolutely love this stuff, and it gives an absolutely amazing canvas for your face. I have talked about this in my 2018 favourites, which was my first annual favourites video, which was very exciting for me. So that's already up. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here somewhere below for you. To corrector, again, same thing. The corrector I'm using is from Boing, the Benefit Boing corrector. It is again one of my favourites. Use it all the time. I literally could not live without this, because it's literally genius in the bottle. I mean, can you see the difference between my eyes? The MAC Face and Body. This is a brilliant foundation for like every day, for using yeah, again on your body. So the color I have is N1. And the way I'm going to use this is I'm literally just going to take a blob here and add it to the center of my face first, because that's where I need the most coverage, and then I'll blend it out with my fingers. So the concealer I'm using today is from Bourjois. It is their Radiance Reveal Concealer, and the colour I have is 01 Ivory. This is a fantastic concealer because it's got really high coverage, but it's so light. You literally can't feel it on your skin, and it blends into your skin beautifully. Blend, blend, blend. I'm just using my Real Technique sponge. I haven't used my beauty blender in such a long time, but that's mainly because I find, I mean, obviously that's much more expensive, and B, I just like the feel of the Real Technique sponge. It's really good. I really like it. And before we go on to the eyes, my primer, which is again Urban Decay. You've seen this a million times already if you've been seeing my videos, and if you haven't seen my videos, where are you? Please subscribe and please watch my videos. So again, this is a firm favourite. I've been using this since God knows when. I've gone through many a tube. I'm just going to set that as well with my Min Blur Skin Finish, so that we can have a nice blank canvas for our eyeshadow. Now for eyeshadow, I don't want to do anything dramatic. I just want to keep everything very fresh and glowy and not many colours. So I am going to be using my favourite palette. It's a Smashbox Vlada and Vlada palette. The shimmery one. So let me zoom you in. To start off with, I am going to be using this colour over here. I'll add all the names of the colours over here. So it's like I think it's the only matte colour. It's the lighter matte colour in the whole palette. So just using that in my crease. This colour over here. So it's like a light peachy colour, and putting that all over my lid with just my finger. I've noticed with the Smashbox colours, eyeshadows, they're so creamy and they're so soft that you can actually use your fingers, and it gives a beautiful finish. Like, you don't lose any pigment, and it really packs on the colour onto your eyes. Can you see? That's really nice. I'm going to take the matte colour from here, so the darkest colour over here, and just use that ever so slightly in the outer corner. And I'm just going to use this goldy colour here for the tops, for under the eyebrow. Curling my eyelashes now. So that's literally what we're going to do for the eyes. Now before we put on our mascara, I am quickly going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using the L'Oreal Artiste Plumper. Again, you can use whichever product you like. I just literally just use this. I'm going to be using a bronzer. So this is the bronzer from ASOS. This is what it looks like. I've reviewed a lot of ASOS makeup on my channel, so I'll add that here somewhere for you if you are interested. And then for blush, I'm using this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal blush in the colour 105 Rose Pastel. Apples on my cheeks. I really like this colour. It's like a really pure pink, so you can't really go wrong with this. For kind of a highlight, I'm going to be using this illuminating bronzer from Tanya by Cosmetics. Yeah, it's the illuminating powder in warm bronze. So it has a bit of a highlight as well, but it gives you like a really nice brownie look as well. And it's look at the highlights, beautiful. And for mascara, I am using the Lash Sensation from Maybelline. So this is what I'm using for my mascara. So the Lash Sensation from Maybelline. This is a beauty of a mascara. I mean, you can't go wrong with this one. I think it's one of their best sellers, and rightly so. It gives an absolute beautiful finish to the eyes, and it like separates them, lifts them, gives them volume. It's really, really nice. For lipstick, I am using my MAC liner in Morning Coffee. I use this all the time. I really do. It's just the perfect brown. And then for lipstick, I'm using a fairly new colour for myself, and I've literally fallen in love with this. So this is from Revlon. It's their super lustrous lipsticks in 420 blushed. This is what it looks like. It is an absolutely beautiful colour. It's slightly frosty. Oh, look how gorgeous. It looks really, really nice. You'll see in a minute. I really hope you guys like this. Please give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!